Hello everybody, my name is Lewis and this is another entry for the Loyal and Save campaigns. In this training video, we're going to set up a raffle item-based campaign. You'll learn how to set up and manage campaign filters to ensure that qualifying roll your own pipe tobacco purchases generate digital raffle entries. During the month, customers will earn one raffle entry for every eligible product they buy, giving them a chance to win a Fresh Choice e-cig machine. We'll walk you through how to properly configure the campaign so the right products trigger raffle entries, helping you run a smooth and successful promotion. First, let's go to Campaigns, Add New. For the trigger type, we will select Raffle. For the reward type, we will select Raffle Item-Based. Next, we'll add in the name of our raffle campaign. Then add the description. And next, we'll choose if this campaign will be for the store, online, or both. For this example, we'll do in-store. Next, we'll choose if this is an age-restricted item. Now, being that we're giving out a free rolling machine, this will be an age-restricted campaign. Next, we'll go to our schedule, and we'll choose a start date and an end date. Let's make this for July of this year, for the 1st, and have it end same month, but for the 31st. Next, we'll go to Options and we'll add our campaign image. For the campaign image, you can create that in AdPro or any Photoshop program that you might have. As you can see here, the system asks for 400 by 240 resolution. Next, we'll go to the Marketing tab. In the Marketing tab, you can choose to send notifications to customers with specific interests, assigned by gender, by location, location group, by age, assigned by state, city, or zip code. Now let's go to our Manage Campaign Filters. Here we can add a whitelist for the products that will be on this raffle. Now let's click the drop-down and add a category whitelist. Now for this campaign, we're going to be giving out a free rolling machine on qualifying purchases from the pipe tobacco category. So let's add the category whitelist. We'll add the filter and manage. Here we'll look for the pipe tobacco category. We can either type the name of the category or search for it here. Let's type in the pipe tobacco category. We'll select it and we'll hit apply. Here you can see we added the pipe tobacco to our whitelist. This means any product that's purchased in the pipe tobacco category will earn the customer a digital raffle entry. And that concludes the trigger type raffle, reward type, raffle item-based campaign. And always remember to save your campaign. To learn more about Loyal and Save, you can explore the YouTube channel and find more Loyal and Save courses by visiting FTx Academy. Thank you.